ultimate adventure, y'all. Like, it's been a while. Actually, no, it's only been like, I don't know, 4 months. So, I'm excited because guess what? I am traveling again. I'm super excited and I got a lot of things going on. So, I have to pack, okay? And I have to work. How's this gonna work? I have no clue. I'm just gonna figure it out right now. I had to cancel my therapy session today because I'm so tired. Like I was not gonna go into therapy to process trauma while tomorrow I have to go on a trip. Like, no, I'm really tired. And I'm also like, I feel like I'm getting something. So I'm not sure if it's just my body. It's telling me that it needs to relax. And I just need to chill. But guess what? I am traveling with one of my best friends. She's a marvelous girl. I love her to death. She has been with me since 2020. So it's been like 3 years. Probably she'll know exactly the date because we met in March or in February, I think. So yeah, I'm really excited because we are going to Paris, France, baby. So I am trying now to decide what I'm going to use for traveling, and yeah, we'll see how that's gonna go because I have a lot of ideas and I do want to carry as light as I possibly can, but I always say that and I never do. But my goal is to do 1 suitcase and 1 book bag, and that should be enough. I'll go along more or less what I'm going to bring, and we'll see because I have to pack things, and I don't know how I'm gonna put this camera down here on the floor for you guys to see me pack and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm even gonna do that because again, I'm just so tired and I leave tomorrow at 2 and I don't get back home tonight until 9 o'clock, and I have about I would say 4 clients today if they all show up. So I have about 4 clients today. So by the way, if you don't know, I'm a clinical mental health counselor or therapist. I don't know what happened to the sound system right now. This is just weird. Something's going on with my headphones. But anywho, I'm a clinical mental health counselor. I just graduated on Saturday. I'm so excited. I graduated on Saturday. And, you know, I think Marissa can put pictures here of how beautiful I look with my diploma. My hair is in a doobie for now, because tomorrow it's gonna be cold. Like, Paris is raining right now and I ain't got no time for that. So, we're gonna curl this hair tomorrow. Anywho, that's it for today. I think my next stuff would be, I don't know if I have anything else to tell you. It's really early in the morning. It is May 10th. I believe it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Like I said, I skipped my therapy session so I can do this and relax a little bit because I don't go into work today until 11, maybe 12. I'm probably gonna go in at 12. So yeah, I'll see you all when I get there, and you guys get to see next if Marissa wants to introduce herself within here. Awesome, cool. If not, then you get to see me packing and trying to figure things out, and then a summary of what I did and a closing. So see you guys later. Love ya.
Take me away. I wanna run to you every night. Let me hold your hand.
Hello guys, so welcome back. And as you saw, I'm gonna have to go with a big suitcase. So just to give you, sorry about the trembling, just to give you a little bit of a preview, this is the little mess that I have right now. And this is the luggage that I'm taking with that book bag. So that book bag and this big luggage is the things that I'm taking. Hopefully I don't plan on buying a lot of things over there. I've kind of reduced the fact of like buying things unless it's for people that I love, and usually what I've been getting them lately has been more of little keychains or stuff like that that they can put around their house. So with that being said, I'm officially kind of almost done packing. I will be wearing a really thick shirt with tennis shoes and socks. I have to get a pair of socks. And yeah, I believe this is gonna have to go through checking, so we'll see how much that weighs. But I didn't put too many clothes in it, at least a full week's of clothes and then a little bit some, just because sometimes I like the variety of things. And I know they say pack light, I'm trying to, but honestly, like, I'm a girl that likes choices. So with that being said, I have to pack the little small stuff that's gonna go inside the book bag, and I'll go from there. Whatever's left, I'll probably, like, it's pretty much the book, that thing over there, the gray stuff, that right there. And then the little small stuff, I have to figure out where I put my other headphones because I'm not taking my AirPods. And then that's it. Wow, this was the fastest. I feel like the more I do this, the more I reduce the amount of stuff I take with me. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see you guys when I'm over there or on my way to the airport, because tomorrow I'll do a vlog on my way to the airport and kind of just summarize what's been going on little by little. So hopefully, if I don't remember, so yeah, I'll see you guys later.